Hey guys, this is iPhone 6 and you're watching NNK Tech. Welcome to my channel guys. Today we are going to unbox our iPhone 6. It is 32 GB variants and you can see I'm just unboxing and this phone is still usable. That's what we have to find out now. And this is the iPhone stickers. I am just going to keep it side and let us see. This is the charger and this one is the cable for charging, and these are the iPods for listening music and stuff. So this is a standard one, iPhone earpods. So that's it guys, nothing else is there in the box. So let's see. Okay, this is the 32 GB variant, and as you can see it is made in China and designed by iPhone, assembled in China. So that's it guys, let's see the device is still beautiful, I must say. And let me put my passcode, please don't see. Okay, this is the iPhone. Now this is a beautiful phone guys, the body is good, and still we are getting the latest software updates. As you can see, the toggles are coming from the dawn as like expensive latest devices. So I'm using this phone currently, and as you can see in the about, there is nothing much to show actually. This is okay, we'll go back. Okay, this phone is very good friends. I have tested out this phone thoroughly in and out, and I must say this phone is still very good. It's buttery smooth, and you can see with the latest software we can just open the camera from the right side, and it's ready to go. Shoot videos, shoot. Okay guys, must say this phone is beautiful, and even though it is a very old device, but still the speed is good, I must say. Compared to iPhone 4 and 5, this is much better device, and this is my favorite wallpapers. And I top up this background with the screen, lock screen, and yeah, we are good to go. That looks beautiful, black on black. Looks very nice guys. This phone is beautiful and buttery smooth. You can use it still in 2018. We can very much use this phone guys. I'm here with some camera samples, photos and videos. You just be the judge and just let me know in the comment section you feel this camera is okay in 2018 and it will be okay in 2019. Just let me know. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. See you later.